Welcome to Minexa.ai, where scraping bank branch listings from any website is simple and fast, no matter your technical skills. I'm opening the nbc.ca page, where multiple bank branch listings are already visible and ready to be scraped. Now click the Minexa.ai extension icon right here to get going with your data extraction. The panel is visible. Press "I'm on the right page," and Minexa.ai runs the full analysis of bank branch listings.
That fast, Minexa.ai found the data and how to navigate through it for all bank branch listings here.
Decide if you want to scrape only the list or include detail pages behind each result as well. Move forward with Continue, or use Advanced to define clicks or form fills before your list loads. Minexa.ai identified and highlighted the right page section. Click Create Scraper and it quickly learns the structure. All data fields like branch name, address, and contact info are listed. Pick what you want and reuse the scraper on similar pages instantly. For developers, click API Request and start scraping any similar page on this site right away via code. Click the button to confirm and lock in your scraper configuration to proceed. Pagination is detected and ready, so your scraper will continue beyond page 1 automatically. Almost there. Optionally schedule this job or connect to Google Sheets, then click to create it and save. Just hit Run and the scraper gets to work, extracting every bank branch's name, address, phone number, and hours precisely. Every value here matches exactly what was on the page at scrape time, like branch names, addresses, phone numbers, all raw and unaltered. Click Export to download your data as Excel or JSON and start using it immediately. Data from any website, automatically structured and ready to use. Developers get consistent JSON with no extra costs or fake values.